Morning. Today's plan, we're going to use this to delete the indicators on the BMW. So the theory here is, nobody uses turn signals on a BMW anyway. So in a previous life I used to be a programmer, so in theory I should be able to write software to use the flipper to connect to the MHD Wi-Fi dongle, which is connected to the car, to disable the turn signals. We thought we'd just show you that the indicators do work on the car. This is not for any other reason that we're doing this. Go ahead, indicate left, Lee.
Left indicator.
Indicate right.
Right indicator.
Okay, so hopefully in about 10 minutes time, once we've reflashed the ECU, this will no longer work. Okay, what's that bit, Lee?
It's my dongle. So this is what's called a Wi-Fi dongle. That is the term for it. We're going to plug this into the OBD port, and then we can speak to the ECU and tell it to do things that BMW doesn't want us to do.
And we usually use that for turning the car up and down, don't we?
Boost-wise, yes.
Yeah, oh yes. Into apps, and then into Wi-Fi, and then into my special thing. And we're going to go that one. Is that connected, Lee?
Yeah.
Flashing away?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so it says it's done. So I guess we test.
Testing.
Alrighty, indicate left.
Left.
I've got a left tail light only on, that's weird. And then right?
Right.
Now I have a right tail light on. That didn't work. We're going to go into apps, and we're going to go into Wi-Fi, and we're going to go all the way through. Okay, indicate left.
Left indicator.
Nothing at all, indicate right.
Right indicator.
Is anything flashing inside the car, Lee?
No.
Fantastic. Successfully deleted the turn signals on the BMW, because let's face it, nobody uses them anyway.
What if we could delete the brake lights?
That'd be scary,
No, but on a switch, so when people tailgate you.
Well, we have the iPad for an app. Do it on an app.
Yeah. That's next.
Maybe. Can you?
I'll do it on the Kia.
Can you write the app?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
YouTube thinks.
Yeah.